Welcome back to the channel. I recently ordered a professional 115-in-1 precision screwdriver set magnetic repair tool kit from Amazon. My current micro drive set doesn't go small enough for several watch projects I have lined up, and this set seemed perfect. It could also be used on some optics I have on some of my firearms, and I was excited when it arrived today. The excitement was short-lived. It has received a 4.4 out of 5 rating on Amazon, but no friggin' way. Granted, I only paid $8 for it, but it's not worth anything for serious use. It does come with 1,000,000 bits, but all the metal components are pot metal, and I can see them chewing up a screw or mini bolt. The plastic and rubber parts were very poorly injected, and I can't see them standing up to any real use. I have repackaged the set and have started the Amazon return. Ridiculous. A solid case of something is not better than nothing. I'm a bit behind on announcing the winner of the Amazon Basics tarp. And the winner is Kansas Gear Pursuit. There were only 2 entries, so his odds were pretty good. Kinda odd, but the Casio watch giveaway has no entries. Maybe it's too old school for the cool kids nowadays. I'm hoping to pick up some parts for my new rifle build this week, so until then, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay frosty and take care